Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-founders at Quintly, and I want to give you a quick introduction how you can use Quintly data within Brandwatch Vizia. So I'm now in the Vizia interface, and I'm going to create a new deck here on the left side. I'm going to name it test for this case here. I go into the deck, and then you have the empty slide here, and I'm now going to add a new component. And for Quintly, there are two different ways now to integrate the data. One is it's just named Quintly here. It's so you don't need a Quintly account for this one. We have pre-selected a couple of industries for which we can show you some data like the best performing posts or post frequencies, etc. And then the second one here is the Quintly Premium offering. And for this, you actually need a Quintly account. And it also means you can bring the data from your Quintly account to Brandwatch Vizia as well. So let's start with the general Quintly integration and with the best performing posts. So you select this, you add the component, and then on the left side here, you can set up all the options. So I will choose the industry, I will choose the social network, and I will choose the date range, last month in this case. And then you see it will load the best performing post. So this is it basically. So I'm just gonna name the slide now, best performing post. And yeah, and so you are basically done, right? So this is now the first integration, of course, because there's no link with the Quintly account, it works very easily. So let's add another slide. And on the second slide, we are gonna add another component, but this time we're gonna use the Quintly Premium integration. So in the premium integration, you have two things that you can use at the moment, like a chart metric and a table metric. And for this example, I'm going to choose the table metric. I'm going to add the component here. And again, on the left side, you have all the settings that you need to make, right? So the first one, of course, is here the Quintly token. And in this case, because we are accessing the Quintly account, you need to connect, right? In my case, I have done it already, so my token is here already. If you haven't done it, you just click the Add Token button here, and it will run you through a Quintly authentication process. And after that, you can select it here as well. Then we have the QQL query. This is what you can also see in the metric builder within Quintly, right? So it gives you full flexibility on which data you want to pull. And in this case, it's just the key metrics table that we have in our account as well. So this can all stay the same. So I'm just going to select the profile ID. So let me select some brand from the automobile industry. I'm going to choose Audi here. And then as a comparison, I'm going to look for BMW. Select that here, then I'd select the date. In this case, let's look at 1st of June to beginning of July. The time zone is also pre-selected. You can change it there, and then you can already see the first data, right? So in this case, we pull in the number of posts and the number of total reactions that these posts got, and we're basically done, right? So I'm going to click confirm here, and then I'm going to rename this, let's say, key metrics Quintly account data. And that's basically it, right? So that's a quick example. You can now share by email. You can distribute it to different screens. And basically, you can bring any data point that's within Quintly also to the Vizia system. There's, of course, a couple of things you need to look out for, like the QQL string, right? So that can sometimes get a bit complicated. But if you're interested in using this integration, feel free to get in touch with us, with our support team or anyone else at the company, and we will do our best to support you to get this set up as fast as possible. I'm really looking forward to see all the integrations we can build. And yeah, I leave it there and let us know in case of any questions. Bye-bye.